Ever wonder why your savings account looks like a ghost town even when you swear you're trying? Spoiler alert, it's not just you, it's your brain. Today we're exposing how your brain sabotages your own commitment to savings. And trust me, it's sneakier than you think. So stick around till the end to figure out how to fight back against your own brain. Yes, your brain has a secret agenda and it's not about keeping your money safe. Let's break it down now. Number 1. Instant gratification. Imagine a Diwali sale hits on Amazon. You're eyeing a smartwatch that used to cost 10,000 but now costs 5,000 rupees. But deep down below, you might know you don't need it, and you probably know you're not gonna use it after a week. You still buy it because you think you need it. That is not you, bro. That is just your brain trying to chase a dopamine hit, also known as instant gratification. And your brain doesn't care that you could have saved that money for something big like a bike or something to invest in. But it wants that thrill right now. But the problem is the thrill dies fast. A week later, you're stuck with buyer's remorse and an empty wallet and a sad face thinking that money would have been better elsewhere. Beat this by asking yourself the question, will I still want this thing after 6 months? So the sale started today. You still have like 3-4 days, a week maybe. Wait till the end of the sale to get that. So give it some time and you probably will realize it that you do not need that thing at all. In India, this gets worse during festivals. Your brain's like, Diwali's there, spend it all. And poof, your savings are gone by November. But social pressure. You know it, your brain loves copying everyone around you, even if it trashes your savings completely. Ever been out with friends and they're all splurging on the fanciest of stuff and you think, I can't be the cheap one? So you go ahead, blow 1,000 rupees on coffee and a t-shirt just to fit in. That's your brain bowing to social pressure and it's a savings killer, trust me. For example, think weddings. It's your cousin's only wedding, he's having a big fat ass Indian wedding and you think, oh bhai, I've got to buy this 10,000 rupees ki sherwani. Kyunki you know, log kya kahenge. But here's a simple fix for that. Set a limit for what you want to buy. Say if you're going out for coffee. You know you can shell out 200 rupees without a problem. Go ahead, set a limit. That's a very simple solution. Do not go overboard that. So if you tell your brain, I have just got 250 rupees for this, your brain's gonna hate it, but your bank account wins. Part 3! And the sneakiest sabotage. Emotional spending. Bad day at work, bored on a weekend, your girlfriend dumped you. Your brain's like, order some junk food, man. I've gotta need that to feel better. You know, once I dropped some cash on a random ass gadget just to feel better. It's still not open yet. It's your brain tricking you into thinking that spending fixes everything. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. Trust me. Try this. When you're about to swipe, just wait for 10 minutes. If it's still a must-have after that, fine, buy it, go ahead, up to you. But most of the times you'll see, your brain was just being a jerk. So now you know how your brain sabotages your saving. It craves instant highs, follows the crowd and uses your emotions against you. So next time you're tempted to just throw your money away, give it a second and think, is it me or is it just my jerk brain screwing with me? And you know, little wins like those can save you big time. Drop a comment down below and tell me what's the dumbest thing your brain has asked you to buy and you've gone ahead with it. Hit like if you think this is gonna help you out and consider subscribing because I think I'm funny.